Chow mein. The term chow mein translates to stir-fried noodles in Cantonese. This dish typically features thin, egg-based noodles that are stir-fried in a wok until they achieve a perfect balance of crispness and tenderness. The preparation involves tossing the noodles with a mix of ingredients like vegetables, meats, such as chicken, beef, pork, or shrimp, and a flavorful sauce. Number 6. Kung Pao chicken. Originating from Sichuan cuisine, Kung Pao chicken is a spicy stir-fry dish featuring diced chicken, peanuts, vegetables, and spicy Sichuan peppers. The key to its distinct flavor lies in the combination of bold, spicy, and slightly sweet flavors from ingredients like Sichuan peppercorns, chili peppers, and a savory sauce made with soy, vinegar, and sugar. Number 5. xiaolongbao, soup dumplings. These delicate steamed dumplings are renowned for the burst of flavorful broth encapsulated within. Filled with a mixture of seasoned pork and a rich broth, xiaolongbao are meticulously folded to seal in the soup. Served with a dipping sauce of vinegar and ginger, each dumpling provides a harmonious blend of savory filling and a comforting burst of broth.